Hey travelers, we just got packed up in the Airbnb. We are headed out to Cheboygan now. There's actually a few things that we're going to do along the way. First, we're going to drop off the kids' junior ranger books at the post office so that they can get their badges. They're going to mail it to us. That's something you can do if you can't make it in person. Then we're going to go to the Tunnel of Trees, which is something that the Snow Dogs told us about yesterday, and they were like, you got to do it. Then we're going to go check in at our Airbnb in Cheboygan. So the next day, we're going to go to Mackinaw Island, which should be super exciting. Coming up to it. See all the trees up there? Right there. It's a tunnel. You and Jacques are gonna go with Mom.
Can I go too?
No, you're gonna stay with me. Because they're just going to the post office. They're going to mail off their junior ranger books. So it's a 30-minute drive to go back to the National Lakeshore to get junior ranger badges. So we figured it would be cheaper to mail them off as opposed to using the gas, since gas is so expensive right now, to get the badges. So whenever we get home, we'll have some badges waiting for us in the mail. Kids will be excited about that. Another thing that I forgot to tell you guys that we're gonna do is there is the world's largest Guinness Book World Records cherry pie pan here in Traverse City. So we're gonna go and find that. All right, so what are we doing?
We will just go to the post office in Cheboygan. It wasn't a full post office.
Where is it? Oh, yep, there it is. We made it to a roadside attraction. This is a Guinness Book of World Record holder right here. Let's go. So the Sara Lee Bakery is over that way somewhere. And right outside in the front, off of the road here, they have the world's largest cherry pie pan, because Traverse City is the cherry capital of the world. And there it is. Is that crazy? They actually made a cherry pie in it.
What?
Yeah.
How did they do that?
I don't know. I remember Miss Jess telling us that. It's the Guinness Book of World Record. Chef Pierre Bakeries for the largest cherry pie. 28,350 pounds. Beckett, come see. Come see, Beckett. It's so big.
Would you eat a cherry pie that big?
Yeah.
Would you eat the whole thing? You would? Or would you share it with someone?
I'm not.
You would?
I'm not.
You're not gonna share it?
No.
No? How many Becketts do you think can fit in that pie pan?
A lot of them.
A lot of them? Yeah. You like seeing the pie pan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do y'all remember seeing the world's largest shovel?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're at this place here, it's called Gardenville. And then there's this snap a shovel selfie. So we're definitely gonna have to snap a shovel selfie. That's hard to say, that's a good tongue twister. A shovel selfie. Can y'all say that 5 times fast? On the back here, it says the Guinness World Record for the world's largest shovel. Pretty cool. Now you've seen the world's largest pie pan. Let's go to Cheboygan. Was that so exciting? Did you like the Tunnel of Trees?
Yeah.
Right, let's go to our Airbnb too. Alright, I took a little nap. Krista was driving and she found this little spot. So we're gonna possibly have some lunch out here. Kind of a dead fishy smell. Y'all remember from the previous video, those alewives have been dying off. So this is called the Lake Michigan Shores Roadside Park. And I believe that along Lake Michigan, just off of the road at different spots, they have places that they've made into parks where you can come and have a picnic and maybe collect some rocks or something like that. Hey guys, we made it to our next Airbnb. Let's go inside and check it out. Let's go check out the outside, huh? They have a little grill. It's like a little play area right here. Oh yeah, like a little fenced in area. Kids can come play out here and run around and burn some energy. Small and quaint. That's all you need. We decided to come down to Mackinaw City And there's a roadside attraction here that is a giant hot dog, and we're right next to it.
And the restaurant is called Weinerlicious.
We're not too sure what we're doing. We came to downtown Mackinaw City to find dessert, and there's some kind of dark sky park thing about 5 minutes away, so we might go do that with our desserts.
There's a store that I saw called Del Sol Color Change something or other that I think is right in this little strip that people said was a really cool little shop.
All right, first stop, Fudge Shop. No clue how many shops we're going into. We definitely want some dessert.
Black cookie. I want those. I like that. I like chocolate covered Oreos.
Another candy store. You don't know what they do in there? Huh. Do you think they might make some candy in there?
Yeah.
Is that where they make it?
Wait, no.
Oh, Lord. Squirrel.
Spider-Man stuffy.
Actually, I think it's like a backpack. What is that?
Is it box of taffy for $4.49?
Beckett,
Let's see.
do you need a potty?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
You dancing?
2 dark, 2 white, 2 chocolate. Yeah? 2 white and 2 milk.
Hello. Alrighty. $13.05 on a bunch of sugar. Passing up this place.
How about we just get one candy apple to share?
We didn't look around.
Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It just says on the sign.
Cute little area. We're doing playground? Playground.
Candy.
Found a playground.
Let's go playground.
Oh my goodness. Go get it. Found the jerky outlet. Let's go see what they have there. Hello. Kangaroo. Pork and kangaroo. What else should I try? Pork and buffalo. Pork and wild boar. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. $5.97. There's no tax here. That's awesome.
Found 2 quarters.
Flintstones. Meet the Flintstones.
Meet the Flintstones, they're the Marshall family.
Is that so fun? That's all it does.
Remember they used to be outside of like grocery stores?
Oh yeah, yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one of these in like, I don't know, since I was a kid.
20 years.
Last time I remember riding one, it was in Oklahoma City. They had fun burning energy on the playground. Now we're going to that dark sky place.
What's dark sky?
Yeah, if it's too chilly, we'll just go back home.
Okay. And we gotta go by Walmart because I think we're gonna get a stroller because we're going to Mackinaw Island tomorrow. So we decided to come down to the Headlands, which is like come here at night to be able to watch the night sky. I'm assuming whenever the northern lights are active, like you can probably see it really good. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Oh, it's a tough one. Oh. That's Saturn.
And what's this?
Uranus? Look, she got y'all stickers. You want some stickers? Did you do that one, Beckett? Yeah? Oh, it looks so good. I don't know how much of what y'all actually got from that lady, but she said that there is a chance of northern lights tonight. So Krista and the kids did not wear pants today because it was hotter earlier today, and now it's down to like the 50s. So I'm gonna go see if we have jackets in our tool, and if we do, we're gonna stay here a little later. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see some northern lights, but we can definitely catch a cool sunset. It would be really awesome to see the northern lights. So it's so crazy that yesterday we were talking about that with the snow dogs, and they were like, yeah, you know, it's very unpredictable and whatnot, and they're like, yeah, it's a good chance it's gonna happen. So oh, it'd be so exciting if we could see it. Moment of truth. Did we take the jackets down at the Airbnb or not? Yes, they're right here. I think we're gonna stay. I'm so excited. We also have our closed-toed shoes if we need them up here too. These tools are great, by the way. Keep all your crap with you without having to mess up the car. Let's go back inside. We got them. And all of our closed-toe shoes are up there too if we need. And we have a picnic blanket. I like your alien, bud. It looks good.
And this spells sun.
Oh, yeah, sure does.
This is George the alien. And then this is the planets. And I wrote, if you know the gods, you know planets. Because the gods and planets have same names. There's also Jacques' alien. And this is Beckett's astronaut.
National Dark Sky Park.
I'll say it.
Say it.
Headlands International Dark Sky Park.
Say Dark Sky Park 5 times fast.
Dark Sky Park, Dark Sky Park, Dark Sky Park, Dark Sky Park, Dark Sky Park,
You
Dark
got it.
Sky Park.
This was $3.18. You ready to go out?
Yeah, is the sticker still on my back?
Yep. Astronomer's getting all set up. Out on the rocks. Are y'all bundled up?
Yes.
Yeah.
No sack.
So silly with the sack.
Oh, look at the earth.
We're on Earth. This is Earth right here.
The grass is earth.
The grass is Earth. Is that amazing?
Yeah.
What planet do you want to go to?
I want to go to Saturn.
Saturn?
Yeah.
Ooh, why do you want to go to Saturn?
Yeah, I want to.
Why?
I want to go to Saturn.
What makes Saturn so special?
It makes spider webs.
It has spider webs.
Dad, I want to go to Earth.
You're on Earth.
Oh, I want to go to the planet called. That you told the.
That's a new planet.
What about Mercury?
Oh, Mercury!
You want to go to Mercury?
I want to go to
Go to
Uranus.
Mars. That's the closest one.
Oh, you're so funny. You're so funny. Yeah.
Mars.
You want to go to Mars?
Stepped on Mars.
No, they've sent rovers, but
No humans.
How do they send rovers but not step on Mars?
Alrighty, guys. It's like 10 o'clock or something. It's crazy here because the light is still out. But, we're going back to our Airbnb. I might try and leave my GoPro outside doing the time lapse to see if we can catch anything, if anything happens tonight. Alrighty, let's put our sticker on the tool. Remember the night that we almost tried to watch the Northern Lights. Let's see, we'll put this one up here because it's big. There we go. Click this video right here if you guys want to continue the adventure with us.